Hi there, Nancy here at Porsche Colorado Springs, coming at you today from inside a gasoline 2026 Macan S. And we have to say gasoline because it has a button that the electric vehicle does not have, and that is this. Let's take a look at the off-road button. So our vehicles are fantastic in the snow. The Macan is already built for it. You got an all-wheel drive vehicle that's amazing. However, if you know that when you leave the house, it's bad weather, it's snowing, it's muddy, it's bad, go ahead and put the off-road button on, and I bet you're gonna fall in love with your Macan even more. You're gonna get more stability, more traction control, a more even torque split, and let me show you that. Show you the torque split right here. This will be evidence of it. So when you're driving, you're going to notice typically you're more rear wheel bias. When you put on the off-road button, it's going to be a more of a 40-60 split. And it'll show up when you're driving, and it's going to cap it at about 50 miles per hour. But in bad weather like that, you're probably not driving very fast anyway. And you'll see too that your suspension gets stiffer as well. Go ahead and leave those buttons just like they are. And I think that you're gonna have even more fun and more confidence in bad weather in your Macan by utilizing that off-road button that you've probably never touched before.